reason to search the car. I just told him I had a little joint.
On November 8, 2024, officers executed a felony warrant arrest. A second individual was present. A vehicle search followed. Drugs were found. This analysis examines the constitutional law governing each stage of that encounter. An active arrest warrant eliminates Fourth Amendment protection from the arrest itself. No additional probable cause is required. Officers may detain the subject on site. Officers referenced a K-9 unit under Illinois versus Cabales, 2005. A drug detection dog sniff during a lawful stop does not constitute a Fourth Amendment search.
That has nothing to do with this, though.
Right.
Let me just go and let them go. I can go.
You have cuffs on you? You got it. I got cuffs too. Turn around.
But
Turn around.
Why is
Turn around! You got a dog on? Dog?
There's no reason for none of that. That's
We're
against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You're a wanted subject in the car. Okay, if
There's
we want to run a
something
dog,
to
we're going to run a
do.
dog.
Okay, why are you guys doing this?
You have a $75,000 warrant that you know about. You already told Darian on the phone that you knew about it. Come on.
The what?
You already told Darian on the phone at the jail that you knew about your warrant. Right?
Yeah, I know that.
I know. So why
And what do you think I was trying to go do right now?
You weren't going
What my
anywhere.
public defender told me to go do.
What? You weren't going to turn
Why you
yourself
think? No, yes, I am. I wasn't
You
gonna turn. I wasn't gonna turn myself in. I was gonna take care of it.
in? Okay.
So this wouldn't happen.
That's how we're taking care of it. Patrol officer's going to come up and take you to jail on your
So
$75,000
like, I don't like
bond.
ugly. Thank you for.
Thank you for what?
Can I come over here
No,
with
you
them?
can't.
Why not? That's my girlfriend. You're pulling me.
You're in custody.
You're pulling me.
Stop.
You're hurting me.
You're a felony wanted subject. You're in custody.
hurting me. You're hurting me.
Yeah,
Is
it's
your camera
running.
on?
Yeah, it's running right there.
Why I don't see that thing?
It's-
The red thingy.
It's
Where's the
on.
red
Because
thing
it's
on?
on stealth. See the camera right there? It's on. Don't worry. It's on.
Yeah, hopefully it motherfucking is.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I hope it is.
I hope it is too. I'm not that guy you want to fuck with, okay?
You're being mean.
I'm not beating. I'm just holding
You're
you.
not-
You're the one moving around yelling your mouth off.
Why could I be around my girlfriend? She has
Because
nothing
you
to do
are
with
in
it.
custody for a warrant, for a felony warrant. You're not talking to anybody.
Yeah, because I forgot. Listen, I have a short-term memory, and I forgot to go to court. That's the
I know.
only
You
reason I have a
told
warrant.
Darian that you forgot to go to court. I know.
Yes, and it's not funny. How do you think I feel about that?
Well,
And you're over here laughing in my face.
well, guess
like,
what? When you told Darian you thought you got to the court, guess what you should have done that day? You went to the police station and turned yourself in.
No, because I'm trying to take care of it another way, so I don't have to go in. There's no reason for you guys to do probable cause, though. You guys should just be able to take me.
You should nothing about probable cause.
Huh?
You know nothing about probable cause.
How? They don't know I have a warrant.
This doesn't make any sense, probably.
They don't know I have a warrant.
You're selling one. It doesn't matter. You're selling one subject. You're going to run a dog in the car. That's it.
Do you want me to show you a little bit of weed I had in that thing? Why?
Is it on you?
Why?
Is it on you or is it in the car?
No,
can just
I
tell me.
threw it in the car. I threw it in the car. Let me just get it. No, because you wanna. Why is it? Why is this? Why are you hurting me? Why are you hurting me? You're hurting me.
Relax.
You're hurting. He's hurting me. Is your camera on? Is your
Yes,
camera
all
on?
the cameras
Oh
are on.
look. Why is this
All
thing
the
on and
cameras
yours
are
is not?
It's right here. It's on.
No, it's
Car.
not.
It'll be on in the back seat too.
Yeah. Get
There's
the
no
car.
probable cause. You guys have no probable
Okay,
cause.
well, we'll talk about
Listen,
it.
I
Just
told him I
figure
have
it
a
out.
joint. I have a joint right there that I threw when I got out.
The subject made voluntary admissions without prompting the warrant. Marijuana in the vehicle. Failure to appear. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Requires advisement of rights before custodial interrogation. No Miranda advisement appears on camera. A defense attorney would move to suppress all admissions. If granted, those statements are excluded from trial regardless of how voluntary they appeared. The subject disclosed marijuana in the vehicle without any legal obligation to do so. That disclosure established independent probable cause and waived Fourth Amendment protection over the vehicle. Under United States v. Ross, 1982. Officers may then search any container in the vehicle, where contraband might reasonably be found, His claim of no probable cause was legally incorrect. Force is governed by Graham versus Connor, 1989. Reasonableness is evaluated from the perspective of an officer on the scene and not with hindsight. The subject was on a felony warrant, verbally combative, and physically resisting. Force applied was proportional. However, 2 complaints of tight handcuffs received no visible on-camera response. Failure to address cuff tightness when raised is a documented excessive force liability.
I got out.
Figure it out. Take a breath.
No, because I don't.
Get in the car. Sit.
I need my phone too.
Sit.
I need my phone.
Sit.
If you
You get your phone.
cooperate,
Sit.
things will change for the better.
Huh?
If you cooperate, maybe things will get
I'm
better.
trying to
you're not
cooperate.
cooperating. I
Please,
just asked you to sit.
Can I just have? Can
I
I
just
speak
asked
to
you to
somebody
sit.
that's gonna cooperate
You're
with
going
me?
to get a resisting charge if you don't sit
Sit.
down, okay? We'll go from there.
Yes. Cooperation's the best, okay? You told me how to join the car. Guess what?
I told you that I wanted to see my girlfriend, and I couldn't
Put
even
your
do
foot
that.
Put your foot in. Where are your shoes at? In the car or
They're in the car, and there's only one joint that I wrote, and that's it. Can I
Okay.
just give it to you, and that's it? Please.
Move your
You're
foot.
trying to make this.
Move your foot.
Listen, I'm a single mother, bro.
Okay, move
And
your foot.
I miss my.
Move your foot.
All right, relax, relax.
I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot. I'm not running it. No, wait. Wait, take these glasses off of me. Take these glasses off of me. Wait. Take these glasses off of me. I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot. I need to go to the depot.
Now you're getting resisting. Now
I
you're
need to
getting...
go to the depot.
Nope, not with the felony warrant.
I'm mentally stable. I am not mentally stable. I am not
You can
mentally
try that.
stable.
You can try that.
I am not. It's the truth,
You can try
motherfucker.
that.
Yes, it
You can try
is.
that.
Yes, I have a whole record. I just got out of detox, and guess what? I still haven't touched no boy.
You can try that.
Yeah. I can try that. I need to go to the pool. I cannot be in this. Please, listen. He put this too tight. I'm not gonna give him. I hate man touching me. You're touching me. You're molesting me. You're molesting me. You're touching me. You're touching me. You know how I feel. My grandpa me. My grandpa me. And you look like a old man. You look like
you
him.
so you don't hurt yourself.
You look like my grandpa. You're touching me. I don't want you to touch me. Oh, boy, you don't understand. You're hurting me. This fucking thing is hurting me.
All right, put it out of the car? Okay. Take it right out.
There's no reason for us to be waiting.
Take it right out.
Look, he put this shit too tight. He put this too tight on my arm.
Look how this here.
You're fine.
No, listen, I know I need to go to the pool. I'm not mentally stable, bro. I'm not mentally stable, bro.
You stay with him? Okay.
Listen. Can you take these glasses off my face?
No.
Can you take the glasses off my face? I can't see nothing.
Slide in, okay?
I can't. Listen, I need you to take the glasses off my face. Take them off my face because I can't see you. I can't see you. Can you please take it off? Can you please take it off?
Okay, can you sit inside so you're comfortable? You're making everything worse for yourself. Just slide all the way in.
No, I'm not.
Stuff on.
You're pushing me out.
Hey, JW.
I know he's fucking take the shit off my arm. And he still did it. He's hurting.
Look at the way you're acting.
Can you put him up? Can you put him up here instead of my back? It hurts really bad.
Very nice, switching it too.
They hurt. How you gonna tell me? How you gonna tell me it doesn't hurt? There's no reason to search the car. I just told him I had a little joint. He's gonna try to do the most. He's gonna try to do the most.
Sherry
I'm
said
gonna
you
trouble.
to,
I'm a
join the
single
car.
mother. I have full custody of my child. I don't do nothing wrong.
What you need to do is calm down. Take a breath. Cooperate with us. Okay? Because you're making it worse for yourself. Nothing's going to get better. Okay? Okay?
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
You're
You're
hurting
hurting me.
yourself.
I need to go to the pool. I'm fucking get off of me. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. You got this in camera, right? I hope you do. I hope you fucking do. Let me go. Let go my hair. Let go my hair. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. What?
don't see
Can I speak to a lady, please?
Is the backpack hers?
Please, can I speak to a
In your car?
lady?
See how they do the rest of it.
And we're gonna pick you up, okay?
Hey, marijuana joint right here.
Here we go.
If I have a warrant, you guys should just pick me up and let the people that I'm with alone, right? How the hell does he have to go and search the car and know that? No, just my phone. Put that back.
What?
That's my mama. Put that back. That bag, put it back.
No. Sure, it's yours.
Huh?
It's yours.
Okay,
so
No, it's
listen.
not mine. Put it back.
They already said it's yours. So guess what? I'm gonna search it.
No.
You already said this joint's yours too.
No, I just told you that John is mine. The John is mine and that's it. Okay, can I put my shoes on? Can I get this off? Can I get this off? He's looking through everything that I do. That bag is not mine.
You have been nothing but professional since about me.
I know, but he's being nasty. He's being nasty. No, I have a lot to worry about. Why is you like doing that to me? Come on now. The fuck you just did?
Okay.
Yeah, that's me.
That's your bag. And that's your Molly.
That's not Molly. All that shit's fake, and you know that. That's not mine.
Okay.
Fuck nigga.
The subject declared mental instability on camera and referenced recent detox completion. Crisis diversion protocols exist in many jurisdictions, but they do not override a valid felony warrant. A warrant is a court order. Mental health status is relevant at sentencing, not as a bar to arrest. Both subjects directed profane and racially charged language at officers throughout the encounter. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. Verbal insults directed at police are protected speech. They do not constitute disorderly conduct or any arrestable offense standing alone. Officers declined to escalate based on the language. That restraint is constitutionally required. Stephanie physically resisted handcuffing. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is obstruction. In most United States jurisdictions, adding criminal exposure beyond the underlying warrant. Officers discovered methamphetamine during the vehicle search. Both subjects denied ownership. It is a Schedule I controlled substance under 21 United States Code. Section 812. Courts apply constructive possession when ownership is disputed based on proximity, knowledge, and control.
Listen, isn't that a thing that they take you to the pool instead of taking you to the jail? Fuck, nigga. Hope your mama dies in a fucking stroke.
Not his fault. But you're not making your case better.
I'm not making it better.
Everything you do is making it
He is freaking searching about things without my consent.
okay, then that's a cool.
Tell your dad I'm going to jail. Tell your dad I'm going to jail. Dad, go
Her warrant's confirmed.
We have quite a few.
fuck ass cracker. I hope your mama dies for her if she ain't dead. I hope she dies again and suck my dead grandpa dick too. It's not disrespectful. Like it's not against the law. Like that.
Nine.
From that last detail, going to show you out of the city marina.
What's your first name?
Victor 7 from the detail.
Stephanie? Alright, so she wanted me to give the bag to you. The only thing I took out of the bag was her phone, her wallet with the money, which she's going to have, and then her other little wallet with her IDs in it. All of her makeup and
And
everything
his
else.
phone, you're gonna stay with the phone, her phone.
The phone's going with her to the hospital. I mean, wherever she's going, jail. She's going to jail. So she has a warrant, and then she's going to probably have additional charges for
She's
the...
gonna have court tomorrow.
She'll have to go to first appearance tomorrow for the dope she has in her on her. So. Let me move out. I can move out of the way, and you guys can get going. Hey, let me move up, and I got to field test all this stuff. I'm just going to do the A form to do it. Okay. Huh?
Officers receive a grade of B. Arrests were lawful. Search authority was sound. Force was proportional. Officers showed restraint under sustained verbal provocation. Deducted for the absence of documented Miranda advisement and 2 unaddressed cuff tightness complaints. The male subject receives a grade of C+. He did not flee but knowingly evaded a court mandate. His voluntary marijuana disclosure gave officers probable cause they did not already have over the vehicle. Every admission he made worsened his legal position. Silence would have been the legally sound choice. Stephanie receives a grade of C. Her request for a female officer was appropriate. But physical resistance added obstruction exposure. Ownership denial did not affect search authority. Her proximity to the controlled substance creates real constructive possession risk at trial. The department receives a grade of B-. Arrest and search procedures were correctly followed. The Miranda documentation gap and unresolved cuff complaints are the primary accountability concerns. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, voluntary disclosures are not harmless. Disclosing contraband without legal obligation establishes probable cause and waives constitutional protection. Second, Miranda compliance must be documented on camera. An unrecorded advisement carries the same risk as none. Third, physical resistance to a lawful arrest never improves a subject's legal position. It adds charges, justifies force, and damages credibility at every stage that follows. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to check out Bodycam Case Analysis 2nd channel for more content.